Good morning, Kamsi.
Good morning, mommy.
Hey, this is us waking up in Nigeria. In Nigeria. It's Christmas Day. Kamsi has a nosebleed because the weather is quite dry here. It's Hamatan in Nigeria now. Sorry, Kamsi.
Okay.
Did you scratch your nose?
No, nothing.
Yeah, it's just the weather. When the weather is extremely dry, he gets a nosebleed. I'm just cleaning up a bit of dust that has gathered after my brother-in-law cleaned the room for us. It's Hamatan now, which is a very dry weather with lots of dust. As you're cleaning, more dust is gathering. We came back on Christmas Eve and jumped straight into bed. Actually, I'm just unpacking for the first time now. Okay, let's rewind to Christmas Eve. When we went to drop off my siblings on our way back from Lagos, we picked up the tomatoes that my mom prepared for us. Mommy, how many baskets of tomato we?
Very man, yes, I know.
Hey, what do you do, Mr. Ame? You prepare a dish for Christmas. You see the size of the basket of tomatoes we are talking about in the video that pops up on the screen right now. When we got back, I scooped them in containers and put in the freezer, else it may start smelling by the next morning. My mom only boiled the tomato puree. She had not fried it yet. Hence why it is very important that I put it in the freezer this night, in spite of how tired I was. Normally, close to Christmas, people buy baskets of tomatoes, rinse them, grind, boil, and fry them, then store and use to cook stews, jollof rice, all through the festive season. But I do this all the time, not just at Christmas. It saves me so much time in the kitchen. I showed you how to do this in my Fry Your Best Tomato Stew video. We had akara and akamo for breakfast. Got to go see. I have to okuta de hoye. Wow. I know you want to buy bakiliki. Bakiliki rice. Everybody are complaining on social media. Okay, man, I'm both safe now. The stone rice is the same, so. Yes. Even a bakiliki, I'm a bakiliki. I like it. Even is the foreign rice I put a lot for, and I'm eating foreign rice because I like to taste here. Man, I don't get it. I'm always doing banana. Anyway, say anybody I chose eating local rice. I've always preferred. Okay. I never service. If I have a warehouse. So how can rice and beans? Each rice in that way. So local rice. I prefer the taste. And if you get an AC rice on this, on it was good, but not foreign rice. On car foreign.
Oh, sorry.
They go super like this.
Oh, sorry. Unless you can ask
Yes. Oh, yeah, Haneme. All the possible. They have a done. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Haneme. First grade Nigerian rice. Yes, because some are not China they are yellow. I believe so. I believe so. I believe so. I don't doubt that story one bit. Can you believe that she used beans flour to make this? Your phone? My phone? No, children don't touch my phone. No. Even my children, they don't touch it. I'm up. Don't go to phone remember for 1 week. Jawalo mama wake me tiaka. Mani ya for na eje na nke nna ha. Because see, how you maybe me head in a phone. But kids is up when you want to go now. How can I did mother not go and Jacka give me? You got the beans powder now, if you are not due to. What go and Jacka give me? Much I buy now. Hey, oh yeah, messing oh yeah, name me or not, they very yeah. I'm a woman, I think I mix some of them in here because yeah, you were there, man, here and I knew beans in the tin at all. Space, I think. Madre mia, can you guys see? See my Christmas present. I think this is the best Christmas present I've ever received from anybody. Look at this auntie. This auntie bought Christmas present for all of us. See, uniform, we have a shady. Madre, look at, hey! This is the first Christmas present anybody has ever given me. This is the best. Wow. Tonya. No be small Nah. I am a hebosi. I am a losi from Kent. Hey. Wow, God, I told him. Ma'am, here, look at this one. Can't go there we have what's the good in Bella? Hey! 2 colors, so they are not like. Hey! I jere nekwe. Bari nekwe. He hide that na Beijing conference That is These are the Christmas presents. The clothes arranged by age and gender. Yeah, some people requested for things specifically, very few people, and then the rest we just buy. There are so many children in this compound and so many people in this compound that it's quite easy to buy gifts for them, because whatever you buy, we already have an idea of their ages, and but whatever you buy will not go to waste. There must be someone it will fit, and if there's one person or 2 people that didn't get any specific gift, we will put it down and make sure we buy something for that person next time we're coming back. So this is how we do the little we can. Yeah, we cannot buy for everyone at the end of the day, and then some people will give them money. A little goes a long way. No gift is too small, and just in the spirit of the season, put a smile on someone's face as much as we can. I mean, things are hard. We can always afford to set out a specific amount of money each time we're coming back to buy these small gifts for children. For instance, these PJ masks. bag. They watch these things on TV, so if they get a gift with these characters, their favorite characters on it, it really makes the children happy. So yeah, we had eba with ogbono soup for dinner. What you go do? What you first? We need to chop ogbono. We know. Come on, a lot of people are saying, I don't have to cheer, but you could cheer not be. But I'm gonna say, now you could cheer for no. Oh, any release taking a video, we have a kind of Muna have performing Maragani dog. And no one may put you on or tasty. I'm not a total from your farm and social vegetable eating. Only Oziza. She's adding only Oziza. That's how we spent our Christmas day. Bye bye. See you soon.